To use your iPECS Cloud Web Fax, log into the user portal with your extensions, portal ID and password. Then navigate to the fax section of the user portal. Go into the inbox to see faxes received. You have two sections in it. My box shows faxes received by a user fax. If you have received faxes, and you will be able to see further information and a preview of the fax. This can also be downloaded. If you are a manager of a group fax, within the group inbox you can view faxes sent to the group mailbox and move this to the relevant member in the group. Next, select Outbox. This will allow you to view the status of sending faxes. The result can be failed or successful. Navigate to Send Fax to send a fax. To select the recipient of the fax, this can either be entered manually or you can select a record from the address book. Sender number is the outbound CLI of the fax. Now you can select if you're going to be using a fax cover. If this feature is being used, first tick the box and then you will get a pop-up that will show you available fax covers to select from. Choose the file that you're going to be sending. Select Browse next to Attach Multi-File. You will now be able to select the files that you would like to add to the fax. To select multiple files, use the Control key and click the Files. Once the files have been linked, you'll also be able to see the total files and size. You also have the option to delete all files. You can choose to receive an email notification if the fax has been sent correctly or if it has failed. And you can select when the fax will be sent either immediately or you can set this for a specific time. Choose to preview the fax, and if you are happy with this, you can look to send the fax pressing Send Fax. Navigate to Spam. In this section you can select numbers to be marked as spam and also view your spam list. Click on Add Spam Number to ignore faxes from this user in the future, automatically sending any faxes received by them to the spam box. The spam number list will show you the list of numbers that are marked as spam. If you click on a spam item, you can move items back from the spam folder if they are not spam items, or download it. The recycle bin. This is where any deleted faxes will go. In the recycle bin, you have the option to select any faxes and then empty to permanently delete the fax. You can also reinstate any faxes that may have been removed by accident by clicking Recover. The final section that can be configured on the system is the address book. This allows you to add contacts to be easily selected when sending faxes. This is done either manually for an individual record by clicking Add, or if you have a large number or records, you can upload an Excel document. Records can be shared with the other fax users on the system by selecting the record as Company Share. This concludes the Web Fax user portal.